Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith Matters here, your Big Bear Realtor. Today we are digging into something that can really shape a property's value, functionality, and term rental appeal. The different homes and construction types that you are going to find up here in Big Bear Lake. Whether you're buying, selling, or just dreaming, knowing what's behind the walls and the roof line can help you make smarter choices and avoid surprises later on. So let's get into it. Number 1, Sierra style cabins. So first up, one of the most iconic and widely loved styles in Big Bear, the Sierra style cabin. These are typically single story or 1.5 story homes with open beam ceilings, cozy footprint, and a strong cabin in the woods feel. You will recognize these by wood siding, either natural or painted, rock or brick fireplaces, vaulted ceilings with tongue and groove finishes, and usually the bedroom bathrooms are on one side of the home and the kitchen living dining on the other. These homes are usually found in older parts of Big Bear Lake, Lower Moonridge, and Big Bear City. They're very popular with buyers because they're charming and relatively affordable. And they photograph really well for short-term rentals. They have that A-frame and then it's like a rectangle behind it. But here's the thing, most Sierra style homes were built decades ago. That means some may come with smaller rooms, lower ceilings in the bedrooms, and often outdated systems unless they've been remodeled. Still, they're very cozy, compact, and full of character. Perfect for that woodsy Big Bear vibe. Number 2, Gambrell roof homes, aka barn style cabins. You'll recognize a Gambrell roof by its double slope on each side, kind of like an old school barn. The design allows for more headroom upstairs, which means many of these cabins have 2 full stories, even though they look small from the outside. The pros of Gambrells: affordable square footage, full second stories, and plenty of STR potential with creative use of space. You're going to see a lot of these in Sugarloaf, Big Bear City, and Lower Moonridge. Now here's the trade-off. Many were built in the 70s and 80s, so insulation can be poor. Additionally, if there's one bathroom, it's going to be downstairs. Some may have low ceilings downstairs, and they tend to be a little bit darker. And if you don't like stairs, you're out of luck. Still, these are great entry-level homes and STR starter properties, and that roof line is part of Big Bear's quirky charm. Number 3, the Dutch Gambrell. Closely related to the standard Gambrell is the Dutch Gambrell. It shares the same double-pitched roof, but usually with a flatter face. It's like a Gambrell, but on its side. You're coming in through the middle of it. And sometimes they have dormers and they have more of a Storybrooke feel. You'll see fewer of these overall, but they'll pop up in areas like Big Bear Lake Central and parts of Moonridge, sometimes Big Bear City as well. And they are able to squeeze 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in these. What's great about these Dutch Gambrells, they feel architecturally unique, more symmetrical than a standard, and you have more space too. Often have a cozy cottage feel with upgraded finishes. But again, older systems may need updating. These are for buyers who want something cute and quirky with a little polish. And usually these are full-time homes as well. Number 4, A-frame cabins. Now for the Instagram darlings, the A-frame cabins. These are triangle-shaped homes where the roof line reaches all the way to the ground. In Big Bear, these are usually mid-century cabins turned into stylish. So here's what buyers love about them. They're super aesthetic. Great for photos. They're cozy and minimalist. They're often tucked into woodsy lots with mountain view. But here's what to watch for. Limited interior space. Hard to furnish those angled walls. Minimal storage. A-frames do best as weekend retreats or boutique Airbnbs. If you're going to live full-time, you'll want to check for insulation, plumbing, and layout limitations. Number 5, log and log-sided homes. I can't talk Big Bear without mentioning log cabins. These are either true log homes where the logs are structural. You'll see that it's log on the outside, log on the inside. Or they could be log-sided, stick built with log siding. So it's going to be like a D-log on the outside. They scream mountain getaway and guests love them. Log homes are found mostly in Upper Moonridge, Boulder Bay, the west side of Big Bear Lake. They're romantic, rustic, and full of mountain charm, but they require regular maintenance, like resanding, restaining, sanding, and sealing them every few years. Insurance can be a bit higher too, and not all well insulated for winter use. If you're going this route, I recommend budgeting for annual upkeep and checking the pest report carefully. Number 6, chalet style homes. Think of it like a box with an A-frame on top. These are a hybrid of A-frame and Sierra style homes. Think large windows, pitched roofs, and wraparound decks. They often have one loft bedroom overlooking the living room, lots of light, and open concept living. They're great for vacation homes and Airbnb guests because usually that wall of glass, mountain views, and aesthetics. Found throughout Moonridge, Eagle Point, Fox Farm, Big Bear City, these are higher end than your average cabin and can draw a premium when updated. Number 7, a ranch style home. Yes, even Big Bear, we get some California ranch style homes. These are typically single story, wide horizontal layouts with an attached garage and also have wood siding. You'll see more of these in Fox Farm, Whispering Forest, and Central Big Bear City. These are ideal for full-time residents, retirees, or families who just want space, accessibility, and minimal stairs. These are less trendy than A-frames or chalets, but they're practical and offer solid value. Last, we have newer construction, which are more modern cabins. Big Bear's seen a wave of newer construction, especially post-2010. These homes tend to have high ceilings, modern kitchens, central HVAC, high-efficiency insulation, and windows. And they're usually found in Castle Glen, Ironwood Estates, and select pockets of Upper Moonridge. These are fantastic for luxury STRs, buyers who do not want to deal with old plumbing or wiring or old anything. People that want turnkey mountain homes. You'll pay more, but you're going to get better energy efficiency and lower maintenance. So here's my final thought. So whether you love the vintage vibes of a Dutch Gambrell, the charm of a Sierra style cabin, or the clean lines of a new construction, Big Bear has something for everyone. And just remember, age and insulation matter up here. We get cold. Winters are cold, snow loads can be heavy. Roof lines affect snow. Gambrels and A-frames are so good for that. Maintenance also matters, especially with wood siding or log exteriors. It's gonna be more expensive. And style matters when you're thinking about STR appeal. If you're not sure what style best fits your goals, reach out. I'm always happy to help tour properties with you and point out what to look for and what to avoid and where the best values are hiding. Until next time, I'm Rachel, helping you navigate real estate with strategy, heart, and just a little bit of fun. Talk to you soon. Bye.